100. How's it going? As we get faster, I encourage you to relax more. It seems counterintuitive, but especially in your hands, don't let them tense up. Watch out for fingers starting to point towards the ceiling because you're thinking hard, right? Any tension in your hand will slow you down. Tension in your breath will slow you down. Tension in your body will slow you down. So just wiggle it out. Wiggle it out. Inhale and exhale nice and slow. Yeah. And now we'll try it at 110. 110. Think about it in a relaxed manner. The faster I dance, the slower I breathe, just to keep me relaxed. All right. Yeah, I bet the buttons are a little clunky, so you've got an extra challenge there. They probably sound fun, though. I feel like buttons sound a little bit like a horse galloping. Yeah. All right, 110. We're going to go on 5, 6, 7, 8. Last one. How did that go? I started to feel that one, I'll admit, in my arm muscles. I was like, oh yeah, these forearms are really working now, so I have to relax. They're gonna work. I'm gonna feel it. The days after I have like intense zilling sessions, I'm like, ooh, I think my forearms got a little stronger. Yeah, so breathe and relax, breathe and relax. I said we'd go at least to 120, so we got one more bump to do in our BPMs. And the point is, like, when you do this, get it to the spot where it falls apart. That you have to push it to the spot where you're like, nope, that didn't work. Oh, excellent. Then you can write it down and be like, then when you get to that spot, right? If you like time out at 110 and you're like, that didn't happen. But when you practice this and practice it and you keep working and you join the Zill challenge and you get to do 10 days of finger cymbals all together with this awesome online community, and we're all killing it and having so much fun supporting each other, embracing the suck, going through all of it, right? All of it together. Then when you make it to 110, you're like, holy hell, I did it. And that makes you feel really good, as it should. Yeah? So 120, boop, 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 says allegro. Let's see, allegro, here we go. Nice deep breath, slow exhale. We'll go on 5, 6, here we go. Last one. Woo! That was good. I had to go to my Zen place for that one. I had to just be like, right? When it times out and when you're just like, nope, not happening, 9 times out of 10, it's your non-dominant hand slowing it down. You might encounter that instead of taka 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 ta, you start to hear taka 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 ta, and it sounds like your horse is coming to a halt, right? It's your non-dominant hand, in my case, my left, going a little bit slow. So instead of it being nice and even, that left hand or that non-dominant hand is a little bit slower. And so you can keep drilling it faster with 2 hands, but I'm going to give you this fun little drill to take home and play with and let me know how it works for you. When I want to speed up my non-dominant hand, I drill on only my non-dominant hand. So if I say, let's say 120 was as fast as I could go with both hands before this hand just kind of petered out on me, I'm going to take it down to 60 or maybe just below 60. Let's say like if 120 didn't work, I'd take it down to 50, to 60 at least, because that's half of 120, right? Because you're going to be using the same hand, so you can probably only go about half as fast. I'm taking it down to 50 here. And what if I did the same thing with this hand, right? So 6, 7, 8. Right? So you practice with just the one hand and you can speed up that non-dominant hand, which is most likely the thing slowing you down.